back to my channel. My name's Dana, and if you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and make sure to comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future. So today, basically, you already know what's gonna happen. This is a vlog that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I finally got to it because like everything completely shut down. So I had an appointment around 2:30 for a tour, and then I had one at 3:30 for another tour. So I left like around like 2 o'clock. I've been out literally since 2 o'clock, and it's like 6 o'clock, and I'm now just getting home. Like that, it took so much time, but it was worth it because I found like an apartment complex that I really liked. And yeah, that might be the new casa of Dana Hodge, but you know, I gotta work a little harder now to get that, but it literally took all freaking day. Like, I'm exhausted. I did not get good sleep last night. I'm like completely exhausted. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the video. Say hi, Papa. Say hi.
Hello.
Dad, did you like that one?
Yeah, it's nice. I bet
It's
the
nice.
2-bedroom is really nice.
Oh, the 2-bedroom is gorgeous. But it's out of my budget. Isn't this one kind of smaller?
I was telling your mom that, I think so.
Which one do you like better?
I like that one better.
I like the community of the other one. come here to work out?
Yeah.
Oh, your eyes look so pretty. Yo, I really might just have to get this one. This is nice. It has a rooftop. It's hot as hell up here. I wouldn't come up here in the summertime. It's
I
hot.
bet you it's great when the sun goes down.
Yeah. You can watch the sunset.
You,